We're so excited.
I'm so glad that you like it.
We love this thing, huh?
Seemed like you were ready for it. You're starting to reach for stuff and bang stuff. I think that you will prefer that to your swing and your play mat. What do we have?
Do you want to turn this way? Play with the music?
Actually, I think the little Wii Fit thing would be good, but I don't know if it's just tall enough.
It might not be tall enough.
Yes.
Ooh, music. There you go, Bubba. So many activities. Oh, you getting so good to that song? Oh, this makes me very happy. I'm glad that we did that.